Your mic.
अभी फट जाना
Hi.
Okay. You all had met this NRI commissioner. What exactly was the conversation and discussion?
The conversation that we had was right now we had given the informations like which boats are strangled where, okay, the location, the current location, everything, which airport could be nearby, everything. We told him when are the chartered flights starting, okay, that was our main point. Since we told him chartered flights from here to UK have already gone, so why are we lacking back? The boys over there are asking that why is India government not giving them permission, okay. To that I get an answer, we will concern it forward, we will concern. Nodal officer I think is sitting inside, I don't know him much, I have never met him, it's for the first time I've seen him. He's explaining me when I asked him, he's like, we have already taken information, there are 1,000 people out there. Come on, I'm listening this from long time. It's March, April, almost done. There's May coming up. You can't give me these answers now. Already CM had said that we have got enough information. Why more information? How many informations you all need, yeah? It's like high time getting on your nerves. Like even the paid quarantine that we asked him, we said earlier, sir said that CM sir said it will be only optional if you all don't want to stay in that circumstances where they have given. If you all can't stay there, then it will be paid quarantine. Now the nodal officer is saying we have got huge people coming at him. You can't give everything free. That's what he's saying, and he's saying that what is the problem it's him to pay? Why is the company not paying? What is the problem? Why is the company denying? Okay, ultimately my question is, this is pandemic, okay, every state is like free of cost, they're giving them free of cost, okay, why only Goa is charging it? That is my main point, which is like he's giving me an answer, the nodal office is giving me an answer, you can't keep so many people like, you know, free of cost. There are hotels that have been in charge, so they will charge us. That is what he's saying. So it depends on the government whether they are ready to negotiate and give or no. Okay, so this is I feel a stupidity point. Okay, you can't come with such things.
What the NRI commissioner had to say on all this?
He is just telling me that we will put your point ahead. We will put your point ahead. I'm still asking him, sir, when are the chartered flights going to start? Okay, when here flights have gone to UK, why our flights can't come? The same answer is again. We will proceed, we will put it ahead, we'll put it in front of CM sir. I mean, how much y'all are going to put it ahead? Yeah, I have come near you, y'all have got special departments for y'all. Okay, I have come near y'all to ask a simple answer. Okay, it shouldn't be so complicated. Okay, we are putting your things ahead, we are going to process your things ahead. Please, these answers, we are up to the mark. I kept my patience, this is above a level. Okay, since you are NRI commissioner, I came to meet you. I wanted to know what are my answers, but you are just giving me a clarification. We will put it up. We will put it's a central. Unless you all don't coordinate, how will central coordinate with you all? And the nodal officer, I am not at all happy with his answers. The way he gives his logic, it's.
Do you feel that the quarantine facility should be free, or don't you think?
It has to be free. It has to be free. See, if you go to ask, there are boys even calling her up. She's also a family member, okay? She's also been questioned, you know, why are we going to pay? Now you want our companies already going into crisis, yeah? Still you want the company, after coming into your states also, you want the company to pay all. Why? I mean, even the churches, even the other institutes have given it for free, okay? Where things get out of way, then you can think of about the next level. Right now, where it is free, put them into it. Why push them first only into charge, like paid quarantine?
This is not done, you feel?
No, this is not at all done. And
So,
I really don't get it. I am not cleared with this answer. Okay, I am knocking all the doors, all the possible doors. No matter who has given, even the external affair, the NRI, everyone who is into that, I have knocked everyone's door. And even I am tired because people are questioning me like, you know, okay Gina, you come in media, you show up. Arya, I am not showing off. Even I have a family way back home. Okay, I have got my husband on shore. Yet I'm fighting for everyone. I'm knocking everyone's door. Even I wanted answers logically.
So
Understand that.
By when at least expected charter flights, so anything flights to be flights to come?
At least expect, you are saying, is like, as they said, till 3rd May. Okay, what if the lockdown extends? My question is that, what if the lockdown extends? What are you all going to do next? Okay, right now you all don't have answer. You all are saying 3rd May, but what next? What if it extends? Do you have an answer for it? Though that charter flights are going to come in, you all are sending charter flights from here, but why are those charter flights coming? Why those charter flights are not coming from there? I don't get a point. I don't understand that logic.
So what will be your next course of action then?
Next course of action, I am still waiting on one person's answer. Okay, right now CM also is completely blank, I can say. Even he is not answering anything, nothing. NRI department was actually for the chartered flights to put up. If you are telling we have to put near CM, I mean you all are given a departments to speak on it. Okay, so you should have clarified that answer to me. You have not clarified. This is very disappointing.